afternoon session on my local river, and got about 4 foot of water in front of me, and not sure what we've got up there, but it's all trial and error. Just need to keep the bait going in, and hopefully we can bag some nice fish. So a lovely little trout there. It's a bit slow, but it's not too bad. There we go. The stack of fish is not that great, but we'll manage. I just love this stretch of the river. The trout is really nice. It's a bit slow, but it's got depth. Whenever the rest of the river is it's pretty much shallow, this area here, it's got great depth. This swim here always produces a bite, whether it's when the rest of the river isn't. We tend to get a few good shoals here. There's a bit of a raft further down. I'm going to take my feeder rod there afterwards. It's about 3.5 foot deep there. And I'm going to see if there's anything under that raft. And it's quite clear today. Bit of an overcast earlier on, but it's all gone unfortunately. It's cleared up, and even then the river's still quite coloured. Just need to find some roach. Oh, missed that. Just need to keep the bait going in. Keep the streams well fed up. I feel like there's a snag in that point there, so the float keeps going down. That point, so different trot route. Great fun. Nope. This one's had a bit of a fight with a pipe.